last month. Very good wrestler, very good base, very good technique, and keeps everything clean. She's up against the 19-year-old again. Another young gun coming out of USA. Just under 20 champion and Pan American champion from last year. First passivity, one into Robinson. Only the first one, not the second one. She will get put on the activity clock. Robinson had a great day yesterday. A couple of pinfalls in the 8th.
Обан жана Каспий КЗ. Жаңы уникалдуу сервис. Эми мой О аркылуу Каспий КЗ-ке телефон номер боюнча акча которсо болот. Көз ачып жумгуча комиссиясыз пайдалуу курс менен. Ошондой эле мой О аркылуу Каспий QR менен төлө. Оңой жана тез. Ал эми казакстандыктар Каспий КЗ аркылуу эл QR менен Кыргызстандан төлөй алышат. Болгону мой О же Каспий КЗ гана керек. Барына ыңгайлуу, үйдөгүдөй. Мой О Кыргызстандын бардык операторлорунун абоненттери үчүн.
And a great shot off the whistle straight away. Robinson takes it down, and another two as well. Lightning quick, locks those legs up, goes to the right. Just like that, puts two on the board and puts her opponent into a dangerous position now. Another two on the board. Nurtayeva in a dangerous spot. And at the flick of a switch, or should I say a shot on the legs, it's Robinson who puts 6 on the board. Referee's going to have a quick talk. Nurtayeva going for a shot herself, but it's Robinson up with the underhook. Again, good shot there from Nurtayeva. 4 points for the Kyrgyz wrestler there. And back to the center and action back underway, and it's 10-3 for the American. Looking ever so comfortable now. Rocky starting that first round. Maybe she was just trying to figure out her opponent, but it's a great shot from Nurtayeva. 4-2 awarded again. And the challenge once again from Kyrgyzstan.
Point for blue and challenge 1.
4 points given for Nurtayeva there. No points given for USA, so she makes it much closer now at 10-7 on that Schnatz single. There's another shot from Nurtayeva and takes her over into danger. Another 4 points. Brings it up to 11-10 now. And The half Nelson drives in from Nurtayeva, and she's showing why she's senior World Championship medal caliber and not just under 23. 11-10 now, she's clocked. With 50 seconds left, all to fight for here between these two, and it's going to go down to the wire, just like so many matches today have gone. Seconds left, 27 seconds left on the clock, and you've got a feeling it's going to go down to one attack towards the end. It's a shot now, change of misdirection from Nurtaeva, just brings it to the side, hands in front. Low shot from Robinson, goes down to the ankle, 8 seconds left, another low shot, she's in on the single, 5 seconds left, she's going to have to go for something big right now. And it's Nurtaeva from Kyrgyzstan coming back from behind, 10-3, and she wins at 11-10. What a performance. And the woman from Kyrgyzstan, the world senior bronze.